Slovenia is rich with beautiful outdoor sculptures and statues that take us through its history and culture. In museums, we can admire a wealth of heritage, showcasing exhibits that tell the story of the past. The city center features a majestic horse statue symbolizing strength and historical significance. At the castle, we can enjoy the enchanting music of a violinist and learn about the life of composer Hugo Wolf. Visit Slovenia and experience its rich cultural heritage at every turn. The city center transforms into a medieval era where ancient crafts, customs, and battles come to life, taking us back in time.